Hello student, welcome back once again to my video. This is EVS chapter 1 for standard 3, living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Student, in science also I told you about living and non-living things. So, what is living thing? Things that have life in them are called living things. Example, human being, animals, birds, insects, plants, etc. These are all living beings. Non-living things that do not have life in them, they are called non-living things. Example, table, chair, book, pencil, etc. So, living things, what are the things that living thing does? Living thing can move, living thing can breathe, living thing need food, living thing can grow, living thing give birth to young ones like itself, and living thing feels. First point, living thing breathe. As we all know, student, that all living being, they need air to breathe. If you close your nose and mouth, can you stay for a very long time? No. It will not be possible for us to stay for a long time because we are not getting air. Whereas non-living thing, they do not breathe. Non-living thing, they do not breathe. Second point, living things feel. Living thing feel. Now suppose if you take a ice in your hand, what do you feel? We feel the coldness of that ice. That means what? We can feel, as being a living being, we can feel the coldness of the ice. Now, human beings. Now, if you are sitting, human beings, as you are sitting in a place, if someone takes a pin and poke it at you, what will happen? You will jump. This is living thing. As you are living thing, you will feel to our surrounding. Suppose animal, if a dog is sitting anywhere, if you throw a stone at him, what it will do? It will yelp and cry, and it will move away from there. Being a living being, it can feel, whereas non-living being cannot feel. Non-living being do not feel. Next point, living things grow. Next point, living things grow. Now, as you can see it in the picture, a chick grows into a hen, a baby grows into a boy, a seedling grows into a plant, a pup grows into a dog. All these, they are living being. So, as being a living being, it can grow, but non-living thing cannot grow. Suppose you are wearing a shirt or pant. You, being a living thing, grow up in height or in size, whereas the cloth, the pant or shirt you are wearing, it becomes smaller. It does not grow. As it is non-living thing, it will not grow. Next point, living things need food and water. Living things need food and water. As we all know that living beings, they require both food as well as water. If you drink water and do not have food, then also we cannot stay alive. If you eat food and do not drink water, then also we cannot stay alive. So being living things, we need both food and water. A plant, how it makes its food? A plant makes its food by the process called photosynthesis, whereas non-living thing, they do not need food and water. Next point, living things grow. The living things move. Next point is living things move. As we know that all living beings, they move from one place to another. For what? In search of food, in search of shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. Different animals are there. Different animals are there that moves in different way. Like a snake crawl, a rabbit hops, cows, dogs, horses. How they move? They move on four legs. Human being, how they move? They move on two legs. Whereas non-living thing, do not move, whereas non-living thing do not move. Suppose your book is lying on the floor, it cannot get up by itself and get up and go into the table or go inside your bag. For that you need to pick it up and put it inside your bag. Next point, living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. As in science I told you, what is reproduction? The process of giving birth to young ones like themselves. Process of giving birth to young one like themselves. It is called reproduction. See here, a hen gives birth to chicks, a cat gives birth to kitten, a dog gives birth to pups. As being a living thing, they give birth to young one, means they reproduce. Now non-living thing, they do not reproduce. Non-living thing do not reproduce. Now student, you might have known, now you can understand what is the difference between living and non-living thing.